Suprabhat, good morning. I extend my heartiest greetings to all of you on this very important occasion of our 78th Independence Day celebrations. Last year on 17th November 2023, the Institute celebrated the 62nd Foundation Day in a befitting manner. On this occasion, Sri Nilesh M. Desai, Director Space Application Center Ahmedabad, was the chief guest. Professor Janardhan Padmanabhan, INSA Senior Scientist at Physical Research Laboratory Ahmedabad, and Professor Trenton Franz, Associate Professor at the University of Nebraska, Lincoln, USA, were the guests of honor. Over the last 62 plus years, IITM has brought many laurels to the country through the dedication of the IITM people, the high quality of research work, and the commitment to advance our understanding of weather and climate and to serve society. IITM is among the leading institutions world over and is indeed one of the very few important light towers in the field of tropical meteorology, especially monsoon research. IITM's scientific contributions have significantly advanced our understanding of the land, ocean, atmosphere, climate system, and also successfully translated this understanding to provide skillful forecasts of weather and climate and air quality on different spatial and temporal scales, especially for India. Today, IITM is one of the top world centers of excellence in world and climate science for societal applications. It is a very proud moment for IITM and for all of us that our colleague Dr. Roxy Matthew Cole has been awarded the prestigious Rashtriya Vigyan Puraskar Vigyan Yuva Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award for the year 2024 in Earth Science. This esteemed recognition is bestowed upon exceptional young scientists who have made significant contributions to the field of science and technology. Let us all give Dr. Roxy a big round of applause for this outstanding recognition. He is also invited as a core member of the Management Committee of Global Heat Health Information Network, co-sponsored by the World Meteorological Organization, World Health Organization, and NOAA. I extend my heartiest congratulations to Dr. Roxy Matthew Cole for all his accomplishments. In addition, several of our scientists, staff and students have brought laurels and honors to our institute for their outstanding performance and contributions. I will list out the names of whom I have got from the LIP. Dr. Tara Prabhakaran was invited by WMO as an expert to serve as steering group member of the Urban Prediction Project of the WMO's World Weather Research Program. Dr. Tara is also invited by the Secretary General of the International Association of Meteorology and Atmospheric Physics, IIMAS, to lead a group of international scientists to develop a new international commission on tropical meteorology, IITM, under IIMAS. Congratulations. Dr. Sabin and Dr. Gaurav Govardhan were elected as Associate Fellows, National Council, Indian Meteorological Society for their outstanding contributions to atmospheric and climate sciences. Dr. Anup Mahajan has been honored with the editor of Atmospheric Chemistry and Physics, ACP. It's a journal of the European Geophysical Union. Dr. Jasti Chaudhary is editorial board member of Global and Planetary Change. Dr. Bhupendra Singh Bahadur is an associate editor of the Geophysical Research Letters, a journal of the American Geophysical Union. Dr. Diwan Singh Bisht is an associate editor for the Springer Nature journal Water, Air and Soil Pollution. Dr. Ankur Srivastava has been invited by the Earth System Modeling and Observations, ESMO International Project Office, to serve as a member of the working group on numerical experimentation, WIGNI panel. Ms. Aditi Modi has been selected, is selected as the council member, Ocean Society of India, Pune chapter, and is a member of the National Decade Coordination Committee. Mr. Somnath Mahapatra received the Appreciation and Recognition Award by the Indian Meteorological Society Pune chapter during the National Symposium on Understanding the Science of Heat Waves under the Warming Scenario and Challenges Ahead, organized in March 2024. Ms. Pooja Pawar was nominated and selected as an early career researcher from India to attend the 6th section of the United Nations Environment Assembly at the UNEP headquarters, Nairobi, Kenya, from 26 February to 1st March 2024. Ms. Pratibha Gautam won the 3rd Best Paper Award in the Dr. S.K. Memorial Young Scientist Award 2024 at the National Space Science Symposium, Goa University, during 26 February to 1st March 2024. My heartiest congratulations to all the winners and best wishes for them to keep up the good work. As far as the publications in 2024, we have so far published 116 papers in peer-reviewed journals with a cumulative impact factor of 506. Once again, I take this opportunity to congratulate you all for this great feat. Let us all work together to keep up the good quality and quantity of our research publications. From the academic cell, 9 PhD degrees were awarded since January 2024, including 3 recent PhDs from the Kavitri Bai Mahana Chaudhary North Maharashtra University, with which IITM is having an MOU. And I also take this opportunity to welcome the new batch of IITM PhDs and RAs, Research Associates. 13 candidates have joined IITM through ACSIR for PhD, and 10 candidates have joined as IITM Research Fellows during July 2024. An induction program was conducted for IITM RFs and ACSIR students. Also, 7 students were selected for RA position in July 2024. Let us all welcome them to IITM. And the 18th Research Advisory Committee meeting was held at IITM on during 8-9 June 2024 under the chairmanship of Dr. L.S. Rathod, former Director General of India Meteorology Department, New Delhi. The meeting was live streamed. The 108th governing body meeting of IITM was held at the Ministry of Earth Sciences in hybrid mode on 19 June 2024. The meeting was chaired by the GB Chairman Dr. M. Ravichandran, Secretary, Ministry of Earth Sciences. Here are some major highlights during the last 8 months. One is IITM has led the preparation of the vision document for Amrit Kal, or Viksit Bharat at 2047. In this context, a mini workshop for preparation of the vision document was conducted during 12th to 14th February 2024 at IITM to discuss and brainstorm about weather and climate sciences and services, including observing systems, modeling and prediction systems, services to society, the current status, knowledge gaps, future pathways for improving the accuracy of weather and climate forecasts on different space and time scales, such as the monsoons, tropical atmosphere ocean coupled phenomena, severe weather and extreme events, air quality, etc., and charting new avenues for R&D such as weather management, urban meteorology, tropical biometeorology, applications of artificial intelligence and machine learning approaches for hyper-local weather and climate information, etc. Heads of MOES institutions and several experts participated in this mini workshop. Professor Jagadish Shukla, George Mason University, USA, was invited as an expert on weather and climate modeling and prediction. From the Monsoon Mission program, the operational seasonal forecast runs using the Monsoon Mission climate forecast system developed at IITM Pune and operationally adapted by IMD are being carried out at IMD. IITM scientists from the seasonal prediction group have provided necessary support and help to IMD scientists. As a significant outcome of the WCSSP India program, collaborative initiative between the Met Office, UK academic partners and MOES, IITM has evaluated the Indian summer monsoon precipitation forecasts in 2 seasonal forecasting systems and their response to large-scale drivers. The second generation extended range prediction system ERP-V2 has been developed with a multi-physics, multi-ensemble approach in 2022. Experimental forecasts using the 18 ensembles ERP-V2 system are now available and updated every week on a real-time basis on the IITM website since July 2022. The global forecast system for short and medium range forecast, genesis, track, intensity and landfall of severe cyclonic storm Remal over the Bay of Bengal was forecast with a long lead time of 5 to 6 days with the GEFS T1534 ensemble forecast system, and the forecasts were shared with IMD. The high resolution global forecast model at 6.5 kilometer resolution, which is being run experimentally, shows good fidelity in capturing genesis of the super cyclonic storm Remal. The beta version of IMET software developed utilizing the IITM GFS forecast has been released at ARD Pune on 29 May 2024. The unified model framework for monsoon variability and predictability UMVP activity has been taken up under the monsoon mission at IITM. The UMVP group is working on the impact of initialized land temperature and snowpack on subseasonal to seasonal prediction project of the JUX program of the World Climate Research Program. The 6th Scientific Review and Monitoring Committee SRMC meeting of Monsoon Mission was held on 31st July 2024 in hybrid mode to evaluate the progress of the project sanctioned under Monsoon Mission 3. The International Monsoons Project Office played a key role, IMPO played a key role in organizing the 6th session of the Clivar JUX Monsoons Panel and the joint meeting between the Monsoon Panel and Working Group on the Asian Australian Monsoon at Sapporo, Japan during the JUX Open Science Conference in July 2024. The Climate Variability and Prediction Group, CVP, has developed the first version of IITM Decadal Climate Prediction System, IITM DCPS. Decadal hindcast forecasts prepared from 1980 to 2023 are all made available to WMO lead centers for global annual to decadal climate. Temporal and spatial aggregation of rainfall extremes over India under anthropogenic warming have been studied. The Center for Climate Change Research started preparations for the Coupled Model Intercomparison Program CMIP, the 7th phase, using the IITM ESM version 3, which is a TCO 126 atmosphere model at a 67 kilometer ocean grid, and high resolution ocean model with water degree resolution near the equator, and for the IPCC AR7 process. The CCCR has also generated high resolution projections using the D574, the 27 kilometer grid of the atmospheric version of IITM ESM with the CMIP6 boundary conditions. The Climate Observational Group of CCCR, they have conducted GHG flux measurements at Kaziranga National Park and Pichavaram mangroves. They have also initiated carbon flux monitoring at Aries Nainital and GHG flux monitoring in the mangrove forest in Koringa, Kakinada will be initiated soon. They also conducted tall tower measurements in atmospheric research test bed Central India near Bhopal for measuring GHG profiles and meteorological parameters in the lower atmosphere. In addition, the CCR group has conducted high altitude balloon sonde measurements of water vapor, ozone and aerosols backscatter from Nainital and model simulations to understand the interaction of atmospheric trace gases and monsoon dynamics. Measurements of land surface parameters, soil moisture, water isotopes, atmospheric trace gases, short-lived halogens, etc. were studied by this group. The radiative impacts of short-lived halogen SLH chemistry was quantified using a chemistry climate model. Also, new reactions of mercury in the atmosphere were discovered. Quite a few high-impact papers in Nature, Science Advances, and PNAS and several other journals have come out from these studies. IITM also participated in the international campaign ShipAir Field Campaign 2024 to study the shipping emissions contribution to air pollution in urban harbour area, to study the impact of shipping emissions and formation of new World Maritime Organization regulations for ship emissions. In addition, this group the CCCR group has also reconstructed climatic and monsoonal variations in the past using proxy records from tree rings, speleotherm oxygen isotope records. Under this program, sampling of trees from protected forests in Karnataka and speleotherms from Andhra Pradesh were carried out during January-February 2024. The samples were analyzed for carbon-14 dating in speleotherms at PRL Physical Research Laboratory, Ahmedabad. Speleotherm, tree ring, tree disc and water samples were collected in May 2024 from Himachal Pradesh, Solan, Kulu and Simla districts for paleoclimate analysis. Cosmic ray bursts known as Miyake events have been detected in speleotherm for the first time by the paleoclimate group. These bursts can significantly impact communication systems, GPS systems, and may also influence the climate. The IITM Cosmos site is providing uninterrupted data of soil moisture since 2017 and has resulted in 2 PhDs, latest by Dr. Mangesh Goswami in 2024. This site has attracted a lot of visitors for training and capacity building and facilitated MOUs with prominent institutions. The Tropical Biometeorology Program has been initiated based on the 17th Research Advisory Committee meeting recommended. A brainstorming meeting was conducted on 12 January 2024 to develop a tropical biometeorology program of national importance. A concept report of TBM program is being prepared by IITM. The Atmospheric Research Testbed ART Central India facility, which was initialized in 2021, spread across 100 acres of land at Silkeda, Sehog, Madhya Pradesh, was formally inaugurated by Honorable former Union Ministry of Earth Sciences, Ministry of Earth Sciences, Shri Kiren Rijiju, on 12th March 2024, virtually, during inauguration of the National Center for Coastal Research, NCCR Coastal Research Laboratory in Visakhapatnam in presence of Secretary MOES. The RCA guest house building, first floor rooms have been completed with shuttering assembly and brickwork has begun on the ground floor. The column footings for the office building have been completed and meshing is under progress. The the excavation for the lab building area has been completed. Monsoon 2024 observational campaign in Art Central India facility in Silkeda has started on 1st July 2024 and will continue until 30th September 2024. As part of this campaign, four radio sonde soundings are conducted every day along with dual polarization, C-band Doppler weather radar, microwave radiometer profiler, radiation and aerosol observing system, 72-meter tower measurements of greenhouse gases and eddy covariance systems. The four-time radio sonde soundings are being conducted at 0 UTC, 6 UTC, 12 UTC and 18 UTC daily. High altitude cloud physics laboratory in Mahabaleshwar has been making regular observations to observe cloud, aerosol and precipitation parameters over Mahabaleshwar. Experiments related to aerosol cloud condensation studies have been conducted. The radar and satellite meteorology group, 4 expert radars were installed over the Mumbai metropolitan region as part of the urban radar network, and currently site acceptance and tests are going on. This will soon start providing mosaic of radar-derived rain products over Mumbai. The Mumbai Mesonet, a mesoscale rain gauge network consisting of 117 rain gauges distributed over the Mumbai region, has been established to have real-time rainfall information. Mesonet observations collected during monsoon 2024 are being disseminated to NCCR Chennai for generating flood warning reports. NCMRWF New Delhi utilizes for validation of their forecast of rainy events, and RMC Mumbai IMD uses widely for nowcasting of heavy rainfall events. Also, a distributor network in Andaman and Nicobar Islands have been installed at IMD Port Blair, Andaman and Nicobar during 15 to 17 July 2024 to analyze the microbial variability of precipitation, particularly for the heterogeneous rainfall phases that directly or indirectly impact the Indian monsoon. The lower atmospheric research using unmanned aerial system facility LORAS field campaigns were conducted for profiling the atmospheric boundary layer at Osmanabad during 17 to 24 April 2024 and later in Pune in collaboration with the Indian Air Force officials during 5 to 19 June 2024. The CAPEX ground facility observations at the Solapur and Jalapur sites are ongoing. The Solapur C-band radar maintenance work was carried out by the CAPEX in-house team with the help of IMD Chennai. The system is now revived and data is being shared with IMD in real-time auto mode. The Solapur C-band radar is displayed on Mausam website. The urban Mesonet for Delhi project has been approved by the Ministry of Earth Sciences, and observational facilities are being developed by proposing multiple instruments such as wind profilers, wind lidar, ceilometer with dual pole measurements, microwave radiometer, dual column cloud condensation nuclei counter, SP2XR, etc., and networks of expand radar, automatic weather station, meteorological towers, micro rain radar distrometer for Delhi and nearby areas. Northeast India Observational Network Project NEON has been started. Under this observational program, various instruments including impact distrometer, automatic rain gauge, rainwater collector, AWS, micro rain radar have been installed at the ST radar facility, Guwahati University, Assam. Apart from this, installation of 4 automatic rain gauges and rainwater collectors have been completed in March 2024 in Arunachal Pradesh. The Fluid Dynamics Lab at IITM has developed a universal drag model for smooth, wall-bounded turbulent flows. The FDL group published a generalized scaling and model for friction in wall turbulence in Physical Review Letters 2024, a very prestigious journal. Rainwater Chemistry Campaign 2024, the IITM Delhi branch office has initiated the Rainwater Chemistry Campaign at 8 locations over the Indo-Gangetic Plain in New Delhi, Ludhiana, Jaipur, Lucknow, Varanasi and Ranchi, and over the foothills of Himalayas. in Nainital and Pauri during the 2024 monsoon season for a 4-month period. This study is conducted in collaboration with various research institutions and universities to understand the spatial distribution of major ionic species in rainwater along with its nature, that is acidic or basic. IITM participated in ECAMSAT, that is enhancing knowledge of the Arabian Sea marine environment through science advanced training cruise campaign via RV Thomas G. Thompson over the Bay of Bengal from 26 April 2024 to 14 June 2024 along with several national and international participants. The key objective of this campaign was to gather observational based constraints on the interaction of aerosols in cloud formation and summer monsoons. IITM, there is a new IITM publication for general public. The CAPEX report titled General Document on Common Questions and Answers on Cloud Seeding has been published by the CAPEX team in English, Hindi, Bengali and Marathi, and now this is available online on IITM website. The Thunderstorm Dynamics group has added 6 new lightning sensors to the lightning location network at Sultanpur, Hamirpur in UP, Bhuj, Rajkot in Gujarat, Chitradurga and Gadag in Karnataka for improving the accuracy of detection and location. With the addition of these 6 new LLN sensors, a total of 91 sensors have been installed across the country. The updated Damini mobile app provides lightning alerts in 15 languages. Recently, a MOU was signed between IITM Pune and Shiksha Vo Anusandhan, deemed to be a university Bhubaneswar for collaboration in the field of lightning and thunderstorm studies on 24 June 2024. IITM participated in India's maiden Arctic winter expedition during 18 December 2023 to 15 January 2024, first time by India, and it was launched by Honorable Minister of Earth Sciences on 18 December 2023. IITM successfully installed the electric field mill and Maxwell current antenna at Himadri, and data is being generated. This activity has been taken up under the project entitled Study of Lightning and Global Electric Circuit over Arctic in Climate Change Scenario. This is approved for the Indian Arctic Expedition November 2023 to March 2024. Launch of Air Quality Early Warning and Decision Support System for Jaipur, Rajasthan was launched by Honorable Chief Minister of Rajasthan Sri Bhajan Lal Ji Sharma on the occasion of the World Environment Day on 5th June 2024. Air quality forecast and emission mapping for Nagpur city was implemented on 3rd June 2024 under the Urban NSM. A review meeting of the performance of the Air Quality Early Warning System AQWS and Decision Support System was held in IITM on 21st June 2024 under the guidance of the Commission for Air Quality Management. Winter fog campaign WIFEX 2023-24 was successfully conducted from November 23 to February 24. State-of-art aerosol lab was set up at IMD headquarters as part of WIFEX 23-24, and the WIFEX experiment has extended to Jewar Airport. A 21-member ensemble fog forecasting system has been set up to provide more reliable forecasts. The MAPAN program, the Metropolitan Air Quality and Prediction System, has been reviewed and expanded to the Himalayan region. MOU for real-time monitoring of air pollutants has been signed with the Hemavati Nandan Bahuguna Garhwal University, Srinagar Garhwal, Uttarakhand, and the Sikkim University, Gangtok, Sikkim. With the current 4 petaflops high-performance computing system, Pratyush, a new HPC system, high-performance system, computing system with capacity of 12.9 petaflops, including a 1.16 petaflop separate AAML system, is being installed, and this should be ready very soon. IITM organized an international workshop on stratosphere-troposphere interaction and prediction of monsoon weather extremes, STIPMEX, from 2nd to 7th June 2024. STIPMEX fostered all observational modeling activities of the stratosphere and troposphere coupling processes and extreme weather events associated with the Asian summer monsoon. A national training workshop on climate impacts of carbonaceous aerosols and modeling, NT-CAM CCAM2 was conducted at IITM during 25 to 27 June 2024. This workshop focused on key and emerging topics using WARF modeling of carbonaceous aerosols. This workshop included lectures and extensive hands-on training sessions on WARF. A total of 60 participants participated in the workshop. The IMSP annual monsoon workshop and national symposium on understanding the science and heat waves under the warming scenario and challenges ahead was jointly organized by IMSP, IMD, IITM and Ocean Society of India during 18-19 March 2024 at IITM. The development of skilled manpower in Earth System Science and Climate Desk Capacity Building Program has successfully implemented the MOES Research Fellowship Program, and the fourth batch of 12 MRFP completed the training program and joined respective MOES institutions. The recruitment of the fifth batch is under progress. The annual progress review was conducted for all the previous batches of MRFP fellows. Several training courses and outreach activities were conducted for various personnel in MOES and other research and academia centers in the nation. In 2024, DESC conducted various training programs, workshops, seminars with the help of LIP, Library Information Publication Division and Computer Division, including the Professor Anantakrishnan Colloquium, total 8 lectures and talks by invited speakers and visitors, 5 PhD synopsis and PhD proposal seminars, etc. All the videos and photographs are made available for public online through IITM website and YouTube channel. A PhD thesis repository has been developed in-house by IITM Library, which has a collection of 250 PhD theses. IITM participated in the Mega Science event 9th India International Science Festival 2023 organized by DBT NCR Biotech Science Cluster Faridabad, Haryana during 17 to 20 January 2024. IITM organized the National Science Day 2024 on 28 February 2024, and there was an open day event was arranged. A 2-day science expo at the Giant GMRT, Giant Meter Wave Radio Telescope Observatory at Bodad, Narayangaon was organized on 28-29 February 2024, and several women, IITM women researchers participated in this event. World Meteorological Day 2024 was celebrated on 22nd March 2024. A special lecture, Climate Knowledge for Climate Action by Dr. Rupakumar Pulli, President IMS, delivered this lecture during the WMO Day event. Earth Day celebrations 2024 on 22nd April 2024. A special talk was delivered by Padma Shri Dr. Sailesh Nayak, Director NIAS and former MOES Secretary on Vision of Earth Sciences in the Amrit Kaal on 22nd April 2024. Also, various activities of Mission Life Awareness Session were conducted. On 1st July 2024, around 80 Varkaris of Pandharpur Yatra and common public joined the session at Shivne, Pune. Eco-friendly products were distributed among them. Activities on various themes of Mission Life were arranged at Guruvansh English Medium School, Shivne, Pune for the students of class 1 to 4. Around 550 students participated in this event. Vana Mahotsav 2024 was organized during 2nd to 7th July 24. This included distribution of seeds of native vegetables to staff of IITM. Mission Life Awareness Session on importance of forest biodiversity was conducted for the students of class 5 to 8 at Srimati Venutai Yashwantrao Chavan Primary School, PFC School, Pune on 3rd July 2024. 61 students participated in the event. On Van Mahotsav 2024 and Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam, tree plantation drive and distribution of seeds were arranged in IITM at IITM Birla Ganesh Mandir, Shishu Vihar School at SPPU, and ZP Primary School and Smriti 1 during 4 to 7 July 2024. The 10th International Day of Yoga, the employees of the IITM have actively participated in the yoga session organized by the Institute on 21st June 2024 and also in competitions organized by MyGov platform, My Bharat portal and Ministry of Ayush. Various other events were organized like the Mission Life Mission Life National Mega Event in 9th-10th February 2024, International Women's Day, 8th March 2024, International Day of Forests, 21st March 2024, World Water Day, 21st March 2024, World Meteorological Day, 22nd March 2024, World Migratory Bird Day, 11th May 2024, International Day of Biological Diversity, 22nd May 2024, World Environment Day, 16th to 31st May 2024. Rajbhasha activities on the occasion of Vishwa Hindi Divas 2024 World Hindi Day. Picture writing competition and essay writing competitions were organized on 5th January and 10th January 2024 respectively. In both these competitions, talented participants with excellent writing and communication skills made presentations. National Joint Rajbhasha Scientific Seminar 2024 was held at Agarkar Research Institute, Pune during 3rd-4th April 2024. The seminar was jointly organized by Agarkar Research Institute, CSIR NCA National Chemical Laboratory, National Center for Cell Sciences NCCS and IITM Pune. The Rajbhasha Utsav 2024 is being celebrated at IITM from 1st August to 30th September 2024 under the aegis of the Rajbhasha Implementation Committee of IITM. Now there are two other new announcements. The 8th WMO International Workshop on Monsoons, IWM 8 workshop is being organized, will be organized during 17 to 21st March 2025 in hybrid mode at IITM Pune, jointly with the Ministry of Earth Sciences and WWRP's Working Group on Tropical Meteorology in cooperation with IMD, IMPO and the Claivar Juex Monsoon Panel of WCRP. IITM has also won the bid to conduct the 11th WMO Scientific Conference on Weather Modification, which will be held in Pune during 3rd to 7th November 2025. IITM has also won the bid for the second time to organize the International Conference on Clouds and Precipitation, ICCP 28 conference in Pune. The ICCP Commission conducts this conference once in 4 years to discuss all aspects of clouds and precipitation. Clearly, when we look at all the activities that have happened last year, in the last 8 months and last year, and also the future activities, the contributions are enormous. And whatever from IITM and whatever we have achieved so far was possible only with the collective efforts of all the scientific, technical support and administrative staff of IITM. In particular, we greatly acknowledge and appreciate the strong support of the Ministry of Earth Sciences, which has been the backbone for all the scientific research and development work at IITM. I am very optimistic that we will sustain our sincere efforts with energy and vigor and also enhance the scientific collaboration of IITM with our sister MOS institutions, plus various universities, academia and scientific institutions, both nationally and internationally, with the endeavor to reach greater heights and strengthen our country's weather and climate services for societal benefit. On this 78th Independence Day, let us rededicate and pledge ourselves to strive hard for making our institute more successful and become a guiding light to the entire world in our field. Thank you all. Jai Hind.